Hi, this is the Pixel tab and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So open first the Play Store app and in the search bar you should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that we should just tap the open button to open the app, click to yes I agree, pick close, tap to OK, and now we could see information about battery temperature, and in my case that's 27 and 7 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.